Welcome to Hazards 32. I hope you're all safe and healthy as we continue to work our way through the COVID pandemic. My name is Ken Rivers and I am chair of the organising committee. This year we're holding Hazards 32 in Harrogate from the 18th to the 20th of October. It will be our first physical gathering since 2019, as the last 2 years we have been running this conference virtually. And Hazards this year is going to be very special too, because it's in the centenary year of the IChemE. We see Hazards 32 as a real opportunity for the major hazards community to reconnect in a personal way, coming together to share insight, experiences and know-how. Whilst the virtual gatherings have been very successful, we're looking forward to the added dimension that a physical conference provides. And we've chosen Harrogate Conference Centre because it will give us a significant space to enable people to meet and connect in a safe environment, whether it's in presentations or in the exhibitor areas or breakout sessions or networking. We first staged Hazards in 1960, and since then it's gone from strength to strength, and it's now widely recognised as one of the world's leading process safety conferences. Hazards is an industry-focused event providing a platform for sharing good practice, current thinking and lessons learned in process safety, as well as offering valuable networking opportunities. During the course of this year's Hazards, we will be exploring a number of important themes on which we would especially welcome your contribution and input. The first is about good practices. How do we identify and embed good practice, and how do we ensure the hard lessons of the past are not repeated in the future? And this is a subject very close to my heart. As chair of the COMA Strategic Forum, we have identified that making good practice into common practice represents the UK's biggest challenge. The second theme centres on leadership, as this is central to delivering the change in outlook, mindset and culture, which takes ownership for and grasps the importance of understanding the risks, identifying the means to manage those risks and to reduce them to a LARP. A mindset that goes beyond compliance and which continually seeks for improvement. The third theme is about the emerging challenges. For example, the impetus of climate change and decarbonisation and the associated energy transition is accelerating. What is the process safety implications on existing infrastructure as the focus changes to greener technologies? How do we understand and manage the major hazard implications of these greener solutions and applications? And have we fully grasped the impact of changing weather patterns and extreme events caused by climate change? The issue of COVID pandemic has changed the way we work and is likely to structurally influence how we organise and conduct our business to be more resilient. We need to understand the major hazard implications and grasp the structural changes that have been identified and need to be embedded. On a more positive note, new technologies such as digitalisation, big data, artificial intelligence provide significant opportunities to enhance process safety, but equally have risks that require managing, like cybersecurity. These represent huge changes in the way we work and the capacity and capability we all have. They represent a potential revolution in the way we manage major hazards. And last but not least, the issue of cross-sector learning. The challenges of managing major hazards are not restricted to the process industries or just to the chemical engineering profession. For example, Grenfell fire highlights many similar issues that the chemical sector has been painfully learning over the last 40 years. So welcome to Hazards 32, an opportunity to reconnect with colleagues and fellow professionals, to share learning and insight and experiences, and to advance the understanding and application of managing major hazards for the benefit of society. I hope to see you in Harrogate in October. Thank you.